Welcome back to Flex Candle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. I'm Flex, and today we're diving into a full top-down analysis on Bitcoin. We're going to start from the higher time frames, work our way down to the lower time frames, and check to see if we find any good setups. Now remember, this is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. All right, guys, let's hop into the charts, and currently it's about 12:45 p.m. Eastern Time. The price of Bitcoin is at 110,261. And starting off here with the weekly chart, tomorrow we end up closing this candle, so it's going to be very interesting. It was green, almost a green engulfing candle, and now we're starting to come down, and it's showing a big wick. We are still above the 21 moving average, which is at 107,948. Hopefully we could at least close where we are now tomorrow. If we lose that 21 moving average, then we have to be prepared that maybe we might be going to this 50 moving average at $95,909. Stochastics are still going to take a couple weeks before they could fully reset, it looks like. Now, on the daily chart, the stochastics were on the way up, but now I'm not liking that we're starting to form a little curve here. Could it be that we're going to roll over? Right here, we made it above the 21 moving average yesterday. We got rejected, and we have a bearish hammer here. Now we have another red candle. It shows that we're weak here. We're below the 100 moving average again. That's at $111,807. If we cannot get back above that 100 moving average, then this double top Adam and Eve is probably going to continue playing out, and we might head down to the 200 moving average at 101,672. Now on the other time frames, like the 22-hour chart, the 12-hour, the 10-hour, we can see that we're starting to lose the 21 moving average. Stochastics are rolling over as well. This is starting to look a little bearish. Now on the 4-hour chart, we also lost a 21 moving average. Right now we're being held up by the 50 moving average at 110,015. We have to stay above this $110,000 mark in order to remain bullish. If not, we're going to get back into the range of under 110k, and that opens it up for us to go down to about 100k. Now this is where I have the inverted head and shoulder, and so far we're still on point. We got the left shoulder, we got the head, and we're still within this right shoulder range. We just cannot lose that 50 moving average. If we do lose that 50 moving average, we definitely cannot lose this head, which would be, if we go below, I would say 107,300. Stochastics are still on the way down. Let's see if we could be held up by that 50 moving average. On the 1-hour chart here, stochastics are also rolling over. We lost a 21. We're being held up by this 200 moving average that's pretty much exactly at 110k. So everything is about not losing the 110k mark. Closing candles below that, especially on the daily chart. On the 15-minute chart, stochastics still need more time to drag here before we could roll up, and we did lose all the moving averages. So right now, today, it's not looking too good. We must stay above 110k. This daily candle must close above 110k. Let's look back at that at around 8 p.m. Eastern Time to see where we are. All right, guys, so that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, subscribe, and if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is Flex Candle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.